Good morning. Today we're going to be looking at an aspect of Google Drive called Google Docs. So if I go to my new area, I can click on this Google Docs. And this is going to work a lot like a Word document. So the first thing I want to do is I want to title my Word document. So I would come up here to the untitled area, and I'm just going to title it Practice. Then I could actually include my information in my Word document down here like I would with a normal Word document. The differences between a Google Doc and a normal Word document. The first best difference is that you do not have to save anything that you have typed. All changes are automatically saved in your drive. So no matter what, if your computer shuts down, you don't have to worry about anything. Everything that you've done is automatically saved. You can actually share this document. So again, we've seen this menu before, but you can get a link where you can share it with people if you do not know the email address. You can change how the people who you are sharing this with can view your document. Can they edit? Can they comment? Or can they only view? I like to make these as view only if I want to preserve my original document. Again, with the share, you could enter an email address, and the same options are available here: edit, comment, or view. And then to find your shared document in your drive, you would go to the Shared with Me area, and any documents that have been shared with you will show up in your Shared with Me area, and you can access those, alter them, make a copy, whatever it is that you need to do at the time. Okay, as far as the document goes, on the File menu, here is another way that you can share. You can open a new document. You can open an existing document, rename it. Here is where you would actually make your copy. But this is the one that is different from a Word document. If you click on See Revision History, since other people can alter your document, then you want to know who has altered your document, when they have been working on it, and you can see that here in the revision history. For a group member or a teacher, it is good for you to be able to look and see what group members are actually working on the document. If you do not like changes that have been made, you can click on the item and it will actually revert back to that particular form of the document. And so you have really never lost any of the documents that you have been working on. You can always go back to a previous version through revision history. The language, you could actually put your document into different languages. You can download it as different types of files. And of course, you can email from this menu collaborators or as an attachment. And here is your normal page setup like you would see in a Word document to change the way that your page is set up, your margins and such. The edit menu is basically the same as you would have in a Word document. The view, again, basically the same as you would have in a Word document. The insert menu is very different. From the insert menu, you can automatically insert multiple things. An image is one. So if I came over here, you can upload an image, you can take a picture, you can look by URL if you know the URL. You have your albums and your drive that you can look in, or you can just search. So if I wanted to say search for puppies, my S did not go. Then I could actually look for different pictures of puppies that I wanted. If I wanted it to match a layout that I have for my document, like I wanted it to match green, then I could actually change the color scheme of the pictures that I'm getting so that it would easily match whatever I'm working on. So if I go back to green and say I want this picture, I can just double click it and it will be placed into my document. From here, if I click on the picture, then I get these options. I can make it in line with my text, which it automatically is in line with the text, or I can choose wrap text. When I click this, it makes it to where I can actually move my image around, and the text will actually wrap around my image. Or I can make a break in the text, which means part of my words would be on this side and the other part would be on this side. Another thing you can insert would be a link. So if you wanted to add text, and insert a link so that whenever you clicked on that text, it would take you to a specific link on the internet. For you math people, you can add an equation. So here are the symbols that you would not normally find on a normal keyboard. Entering the equation. You can actually draw and insert automatically your drawing. So let's just say I wanted to insert an arrow pointing something out. I could draw my arrow. I could change it to a different size. I could change it to a different color. I could make it not a single line, but let's just say a dashed line. And then when I say save and close, it will automatically insert that into my document. If I click on it, wrap text, then I can move it around so that I can point out different things in my picture. Like, look at his cute little ears. And I would be pointing right to what I wanted. I could insert a table, whatever size table I might want. The comment feature is nice if you're working in a group or as a teacher. You can actually add a comment to picture. And my comment will be over here to the side for anyone to view. I could add footnotes, special characters, page numbers, page count. These are normal things that you would see in a Word document. The break, the header, footer, table of contents, things like that. Again, you can come over here to share. You can get your link. You can enter your email address in order to share with different people that may be in your group. Here is another way that you can look at the comments. So you can actually comment from here, or you can just look at the different comments that have been made on this document. So I hope this has helped so far. In our next session, we'll go over the rest of the items to help you with your Word documents. And to show you that it is automatically saved, if I go back to my drive, then you'll see right here is the document that I was working on. I never did have to hit save. Everything I was doing is automatically saved here. If I wanted to share it again, you would go to shared with me to find items that have been shared with you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.